In Mad Men, Don Draper never just introduced himself with a job title. He used stories and emotions, and that's why people remembered him. But most of us, we introduce ourselves, and 5 minutes later, nobody remembers our name. For example, "Hi, I'm Alex. I manage marketing campaigns for a retail brand." Clear? Yes. Memorable? Not really, because Alex is not bringing any value. Here's the fix. I call it the memorable introduction. Instead of just saying your job title, add the value you bring. Like this. "Hi, I'm Alex. At ABC Automation Company, we help businesses cut repetitive tasks so their teams can focus on what truly drives growth." See the difference? Short, human, and instantly clear. Because people don't remember titles, they remember stories and value. Remember this formula: name, title, and the value you bring. As Steve Jobs quotes, "The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller."